I'm the general manager of this company, is KR Electronics. Our company is based in Greece. We produce oxy-fuel, plasma cutting, water jet, laser cutting machines. But also, if customer asks us for a special application, for a special automation, even with robotics, we can supply. We have office here in Sharjah. We serve our customers from Greece, but also here, and we can offer also a very good service. Also, after-sales service. If customer needs something for us, from us, after sales, we can supply. We can also make retrofit machines. If a customer has an old machine, we can upgrade with a CNC, with software, and we can make a machine of this new century. We have many customers in all United Arabs, Saudi Arabia, all area here. And let's say our machines are handmade machines. We build ourselves. The software is made in-house, and the CNCs are made by our company. We are serving metal construction companies, shipyards, power plants, oil factories. Wherever there is metal, we are there. And with water jet, we go also to marble industry, glass, or even ceramics. We have supplied many water jet machines here in all Arab area, and we have plenty of happy customers. Also in marble industry. I think that this kind of marketing and promotion giving us, it's like having one more assistant. Based on the technology we develop, I think we can play a key role because we build the technology. We do not just assemble machines. We create the technology in cutting, in moving. That's why I told you before, we supply also the software. The software is in-house, so this is our technology. So I think that in this respect and the good service we have, we can play a key role in the industry here.